Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to charge different shipping rates for different countries or states? In this video, I'll show you how to create shipping zones in WooCommerce for free. First, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping. You'll see the Shipping Zone section. Click Add Shipping Zone. Give it a name your team will recognize, like Domestic US or European Union. Now, define the zone region. Click Add Region and start typing a country name. You can add entire countries, states, or even postal codes. For example, add United States US or France, Germany, Italy. Next, click Add Shipping Method within that zone. Choose a method like flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. Configure the cost for this specific zone. You can add multiple methods to one zone. For example, offer both a flat rate and free shipping over $50 to customers in the US. Create another zone for international orders. Add a region like Rest of the World and set a higher flat rate to cover extra costs. Save your zones. Now, customers will only see the shipping methods available for their location. And that's it. With shipping zones, you can tailor your shipping strategy to match your business and customer locations. If you set up zones, let me know how many you created in the comments. See you in the next one.